Hello everyone. Today we will discuss anatomy and physiology MCQs. So let's get started. Which of the following exocrine glands uses merocrine secretion? Correct answer is C. Sweat gland. Eccrine sweat glands release secretions by exocytosis without losing cytoplasm, characteristic of merocrine secretion. Next question. The primary buffer system maintaining blood pH is. Correct answer is C. Bicarbonate buffer system. The bicarbonate buffer system is the main extracellular buffer regulating blood pH. Next question. The main site of resistance in the circulatory system is. Correct answer is B. Arterioles. Arterioles have muscular walls and regulate blood flow resistance to control systemic vesicular resistance. Next question. Which ion primarily triggers neurotransmitter release at the neuromuscular junction? Correct answer is C. Ca2 plus. Influx of calcium ions into the nerve terminal triggers synaptic vesicle fusion and neurotransmitter release. Next question. The partial pressure of oxygen is highest in. Correct answer is A. Alveolar air. Oxygen diffuses from alveolar air, high PO2 to blood, lower PO2. Next question. Which of the following plasma proteins is primarily responsible for maintaining oncotic pressure? Correct answer is A. Albumin. Albumin is the most abundant plasma protein contributing to colloid osmotic pressure. Next question. The primary site of T cell maturation is. Correct answer is C. Thymus. T cells mature in the thymus before entering circulation. Next question. During isovolumetric contraction, which valves are open? Correct answer is D. None. All valves are closed during isovolumetric contraction as pressure rises in the ventricles. Next question. The enzyme responsible for starch digestion in the small intestine is. Correct answer is B. Pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic amylase breaks down starch into maltose in the small intestine. Next question. Which hormone is secreted by the adrenal medulla? Correct answer is C. Epinephrine. The adrenal medulla secretes catecholamines, mainly epinephrine and norepinephrine. Next question. Deficiency of which vitamin causes pernicious anemia? Correct answer is C. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 deficiency leads to impaired DNA synthesis and pernicious anemia. Next question. Which gland produces serous secretion rich in enzymes? Correct answer is A. Parotid gland. The parotid gland secretes mainly serous fluid containing amylase. Next question. Which part of the nephron is impermeable to water? Correct answer is C. Ascending loop of Henle. The thick ascending limb is impermeable to water, facilitating salt reabsorption without water. Next question. The Frank-Starling mechanism explains. Correct answer is B. Increased stroke volume with increased ventricular filling. Greater and diastolic volume stretches cardiac muscle, increasing contraction force. Next question. The refractory period in skeletal muscle prevents. Correct answer is B. Tetanic contraction. The refractory period ensures discrete muscle twitches without fusion. Next question. Which molecule carries most CO2 in the blood? Correct answer is C. Bicarbonate ion. About 70% of CO2 is transported as bicarbonate ions in plasma. Next question. The lifespan of a normal erythrocyte is approximately. Correct answer is C. 120 days. RBCS survive about 120 days before being removed by the spleen. Next question. Which lymphoid organ filters blood and removes old RBCs? Correct answer is C. Spleen. The spleen filters blood and removes senescent erythrocytes. Next question. Which heart valve has three cups? Correct answer is B. Tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve on the right side of the heart has three leaflets. Next question. The main site of vitamin B12 absorption is. Correct answer is D. Ileum. Vitamin B12 is absorbed in the terminal ileum with intrinsic factor. Next question. Which hormone lowers blood calcium levels? Correct answer is B. Calcitonin. Calcitonin reduces blood calcium by inhibiting bone reabsorption. Next question. Kwashiorkor is primarily a deficiency of. Correct answer is B. Proteins. Kwashiorkor results from severe protein deficiency despite adequate calorie intake. Next question. Apocrine glands release secretions by. Correct answer is B. Shedding part of cytoplasm. Apocrine secretion involves pinching off part of the cytoplasm with secretory product. Next question. Which hormone is secreted by alpha cells of pancreas? Correct answer is C. Glucagon. Alpha cells release glucagon to increase blood glucose levels. Next question. Which of the following has the highest affinity for oxygen? Correct answer is D. Fetal hemoglobin. Fetal hemoglobin binds oxygen more tightly than adult hemoglobin. Next question. Which clotting factor is also known as fibrinogen? Correct answer is A. Factor 1. Fibrinogen factor 1 is converted to fibrin during coagulation. Next question. Which part of the GIT has Werner's glands? Correct answer is B. Duodenum. Werner's glands in duodenum secrete alkaline mucus to neutralize acid. Next question. Ruffini endings detect. Correct answer is D. Skin stretch. Ruffini endings seen sustained pressure and skin stretch. Next question. Pellagra results from deficiency of. Correct answer is B. Niacin. Niacin deficiency causes dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Next question. Class second MHC molecules are expressed on. Correct answer is C. Antigen presenting cells. Class second MHC is found on macrophages, dendritic cells, and B cells. Next question. Which vessel type has the greatest total cross sectional area? Correct answer is D. Capillaries. Capillaries have the highest cross sectional area, slowing blood flow. Next question. Intrapleural pressure during quiet inspiration is. Correct answer is C. More negative. During inspiration, pleural pressure becomes more negative for lung expansion.